van de Mickeybox wat de in het teater. Alleen de beste gerechten worden geproefd. Ziet al wat de eerste. Oké, next up. Let's go. Come forward.
Henry Winkler's name calls, it's not surprising. She's been in the top 3 on many occasions. She just has this natural ability and not surprising.
Let's start with this one, please.
Okay, I have a chili and then I made a gravy from roasted McDonald's and beef. And then I have roasted Brussels sprouts and
My waffle style is the gravy. I give you the most amazing cut of venison, and you go and stick a gravy on. You get red wine with there, and it's almost like the venison's got the wrong coat on. How many times have you cooked venison?
my dad wants so usually at least once every year in the fall.
Venison is cooked beautifully. I mean, it's cooked by an angel. Vegetables delicious. It works. And it works better than the grill. And you have managed to confirm to all 3 of us is that you understand how to cook venison, which is quite rare, 22 years of age. Well done. On the third and final, this. You taste it.
Not being selected for the top 3 is a little frustrating. I felt like my dish was right on. You know, Sean had so much going on his plate, and I felt like I did a better job that I really deserved to be in the top 3 today.
Okay.